की खूब और का बातें से टीवी sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish or darmapi minwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
What to do? We have to be respectful to you. So you are teachers.
Because just now I called the education office, Minister of Education. Maybe they will believe they are in the office. That's why. In the chamber.
So then we'll just let the magistrate talk to them. Mo, ab si pang. Mo, thank top.
Sementara kendai si Insya Gorban
We are the smallest chain of the.
Yes, we know.
we know.
We are only first.
Him don't know what he him don't know. Peacefully
baru deh.
Lo boleh nyapat iyo lah. Saya baru kata ini begini don berung, him don ayo tak ada kena ketika second step ni. Ka first step ini song. First step ini song ni him don.
Let's
Ailat ini bangin dia tang dia ailat ini.
Ni yang sawan Phai nak beli lah.
abshot tang top.
Madian lang. Tetapi ailat ini kat sami kan.
Madian lang.
Tama dia lah Minister. Okay. I will be back.
Ha?
Euro go. Parang ba ini dah ni. Parang ba siya.
Kakinhun Nonghikai School SSE, kemudian Hapok Kshatri, jangka Om Megalaya SSE School Teachers Association, Hagasi Bekandai, bakila pendut sengi, Bansyong Kelai Mongor, Hamaran Malki Shillong, Kilalit Ban IT dan Kedor Khas, Haulat Kejela, Uchandra Shekhar H. Vijay Shankar, dah keberkerpat po untuk larlem halo kejeng Dawa, Ban Kyntiew ya Tulop 4%. Syua kini, nomor kejeng Mamdon, Jom Mintrang Ba Kejela, Ukon Raki Sangma, Hapok ke kamera terekam, kino ilam jaga association, kilalit ban IT, ya kedor khas, Hau Menteri jangka Sarkar Jela, ubah polling do, pada undang aibut jangka tak pulih buti ke Sarkar Jela, ubah Himalaya M. Syang Peliang.
Mentala, dai si song ni, kapten respon ini yang cukup bagus. Dia mentala si gila pelong kawaiga, penting. Dia berada seperti memorandum. Berarti kau akan submit memorandum. Ada bersiam, ini batu, education minister also. Batu benar, likely memorandum ni. Ini batu, ini nak rai lang. Nonghikai kini simbalang lagi dari sampai begini kini yang nak sedang nanti bernilai nak tangkat tu kami bagi plakat KK berapa ni lah apa nama bat don slogan Nyucu ya ini Nyucu ya data disiplin ya seleksi melakukan special branch gini tu gila pun ini yang bersepuluh dengan apa nama
I make a few phone calls. We facilitate the demo. Just so this is CM Education Minister or
Education Minister di dalam don pun Facebook ini.
kita bakal Shillong ni ba ya kan ni ka procession kan it becomes a procession that babami niya since there is no prior permission ni kejenjaran ni bagi
Kami terkadang kampung penting ni ada announce ni bagi liap nak plakat ni pertai. Kami sudah ya kata ngilong balik ya kalau ni sudah lupa. Mar bagi lek nang setting lu tu bagi don ni. Tama ka datang menyum diri bun poro lam nu tang setting. Kita hari kata dah. Isu ngilawan apa ya. Menyinwan kan sendiri.
Be kata kami tinggi ko apa ni konsultasi ni hiburan ni dan sambil memorandum tabas ni profession to let me it's difficult because we don't want to set a precedent for no like in the future also. So just allow me to make a few phone calls.
Okay, but we are ready, Musa. We have to move. I can see that. We have to move. We have to move. I'm going to try that problem. Namar ba kini teachers kita ira kis pressure group. Ngeng issue support ni kini. Maybe ngila abandan Khmat kat kil le. Apor ba yakran de kamram chuki bane kra. Nang ni kan let beta ka baca aja.
Chuan nang away ka permission ke permission filan. Ke permission ka certain filan.
Kran permission de sar kan problem ma. Kandai singi kila shong ne. It's a duty of the government to come and meet them personally. But kali ki what is your grievances? Mereka sarkar kam le akum ta. Kandai singi ki shong ne. She just kasupet kai. Tegani ke jingla jong ka sarkar ka pani bakam kansa bikinoi ka. Ngi long brain no ina even you. He be long brain no kinoi ka. Then why don't the government do not respect the teachers? Kata kali ke jingkali ka bagi kuat. Jajai tak submit memorandum tak kata. Ngidon pressure group ang neta mangi mo. Dam lele ingin asyat TV bahkan nombor kono ka problem. Lord aceh doa ya.
Menembak banyak begino. Kalau kamu saya, ni kuah apa ngila kerpat mene ya baru ki Nonghikai jeni ki badon hang ne ka ground mene bangi ya daka lenti ka ba jajai daka lenti ka basuk dak lenti ka ba ka discipline ma ngimpen wit you know ki bayang hang to ngimpen wit ra ni ya back ban sumit ya keneka memorandum jengi ban pensngau se ka government ba kendai sngi ngila song hang ne ban nak ling ki hato ki idon Khmat le ban yo i ni tang kata ban pau tang ke jinge
Kadai ka next move jungi nama
beli mela benet tang di kita ki sibong dan sulit
kalau lebih besar marba belai ba bro seketangi don hang ne niyo le se bagi ong ba yo le se bom don bru ne belai ne kimwan hang ne bi kita kada mentangi pet i kinet kena sing jungi ke scan step jungi inji pen i hang tei kena begini i kin tip ingi tang kata ngim don kam ngin halap ba bro ke Nonghikai long don kam sia
Ngim dai tak pressure guru.
am long da long ngim mengiya ngimi nang ne ngimi peacefully ngim violence ni kata ka kalau ada jong pi mo kata ya ayo dong lan kali ru na penwir nang hilap dah
Hei, kat nyong.
See, we have been sitting for the seat administration from the first of the month of October up to date. It's already 9 days long. So today, when we had a meeting with all teachers who have come and participated in the seat administration, our teachers, they have decided that we have to force the government. We have to visit again the secretariat, the education minister, and at the same time the CM. But when we reach here, the CM and the education minister were not available. So we have met the spokesperson of the government of Meghalaya, Paul, and we have discussed with him, and he told us that yes, the government has prepared, and regarding the presence of the education minister, he said that in in the sake of the Education Minister. He said that the Education Minister has already submitted a first representation to the Chief Minister. But the Chief Minister, he asked again him that he has to prepare another second presentation. That's all, and he has advised us that we have to meet the advisor of education, Sir H.M. Champion. Yes, we are going to meet him because he is the advisor to the education of government of Meghalaya, so he knows well regarding the announcement that we have demanded from the government. Okay, the agitation will continue. Will continue unless and until we have achieved our demands. So we will be there in the playground of Malki. We have been for 9 days long, right from the 1st of October 2024.